If your spray wax keeps failing after just a couple weeks, or your paint just doesn't look the way you expected, I'm going to show you why, and what it should actually look like when it's done right. It should be so slick, a microfiber just slides right off. So here's the deal. Most people just wash their car with soap and water, rinse, dry, and apply the product. Or they'll spray it on while the car is still wet, rinse it off, and dry. And it works. But the problem is, most people don't realize there are a few critical steps beforehand that actually allow something like Griot's 3-in-1 to bond properly and perform the way it's supposed to. What you're seeing me spray here is an alkaline pre-soak. It's basically a stronger cleaner that starts breaking down stuff you can't see, but it's what makes your paint feel rough. It also removes traffic film and buildup that a regular car soap just won't fully get on its own. After that, I like to follow it up with a mild acid wash instead of a regular car soap. And this right here is what they mean when they say to apply this to a clean, contamination-free surface. So just follow along. This is how you actually get it to look better and last way longer. Over time, your paint builds up minerals, basically water spots, from things like sprinklers or even just driving through puddles. You might not always notice it, but it's usually there. This helps break that down, and it also neutralizes anything left over from the pre-soak and removes old waxes or sealants. And those minerals are actually a sneaky way that deteriorates your paint really fast, and most people don't realize it. Now that we've chemically cleaned the paint, what's left is stuff that's stuck on really tight. And that's where a clay bar comes in. A clay bar is designed to safely pull that bonded contamination off the surface when you use it with a proper lubricant. All right, settle down. I know polishing scares a lot of people because they think they're going to ruin their paint, but we've already removed most of the stuff that causes those issues. And we're not doing anything crazy here, just a few light passes. This step further cleans and smooths the paint, gives you that deep shine, and most importantly, it helps your protection actually stick. All you need is a simple process like I'm showing you here. One pad, one polish, and you'll be just fine. I'm even using a cheap DA polisher to show you that you don't need expensive tools to get great results. And this is where everything starts to come together. Wait till you see this after I wipe it off. Now just look at the gloss before even applying Griot's Garage 3-in-1. Everything we've done so far leads to this deep mirror-like shine. And yeah, under an inspection light, you'll still see some light scratches, but in normal daylight, they're barely noticeable. Now that the paint is properly prepped, applying this is the easy part. Just spray, spread it evenly, and buff it off with a second towel. The difference is now you're applying it to a clean surface, so it can actually bond and last. And right away, you can see what all of that prep and application actually does. And real quick, before I show you the water beading, check this out. This is how slick your paint should feel. Your towels should just glide effortlessly over the paint like this. And this is the difference. This is what it's supposed to look like and keep looking like for months when it's done right and maintained properly. Same product, now it actually performs, and it's going to last. So if your spray wax isn't lasting, it's not the product, it's what you do before it. If you want to take this even further, I'll show you the simplest way to polish your car and remove swirl marks fast right here.